Welcome back. Also, on your download page for your particular operating system, you're also going to see optional plugins. Now, in this case, we're going to click on the optional plugins for Windows. You're going to see plugin formats that are supported by Audacity, and you're going to see them here in this area. And you're going to also see popular plugins. Now, as of the recording of this video, you're going to see here that there is a plugin that will check to see if an audiobook is going to comply with Amazon ACX. You can download that plugin by clicking this button. And you'll be able to look at the details of this particular plugin. Now, if you have previously installed Audacity on your personal computer, you're going to want to take a look at this article on FFmpeg on the Audacity site. And in the previous video, FFmpeg has already been installed, but one of the things you're going to want to note is that in previous versions, you need to have a specific element as part of your Audacity in order to export MP3 files. That capacity is now part of Windows and macOS installations of Audacity. So again, now if you've not installed FFmpeg according to the previous video, you can now do that here from this page also. Okay, with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.